Hi. All right. I apologize in advance if you can hear my kids. They're 6 and 2 and they're pretty loud. They're with my husband. I also apologize if I butcher some of these words. I was Googling how to say them, but this is like take 11 and I forgot how to read. All right. The epidermis. The epidermis is the outermost layer of your skin, acting as a protective shield between your body and the outside world. It is made up of several layers, each with its own unique role. First, I have stratum basale. This is the deepest layer of the epidermis. It's a single layer of cells that are constantly dividing to produce new skin cells. Key features include keratinocytes. These cells produce keratin, a tough fibrosis protein that gives skin its strength and water resistance. Next, I have melanocytes. These cells produce melanin, a pigment that protects the skin from UV radiation. Next, I have stratum spinosum, the prickly layer. This layer is several cells thick and is characterized by its spiny appearance under a microscope. Key features include Langerhans cells. These cells are immune cells that help protect the body from infection. I then have stratum granulosum, the granule layer. This layer is where keratinocytes begin to die and fill with keratin. Key features include keratohyalin, granules. These granules contain proteins that help to bind keratin filaments together. Stratum lucidum, the clear layer. This layer is only found in thick skin, such as the palms of the hand and soles of the feet. It's a thin, transparent layer of dead keratinocytes. Stratum corneum. This is the outermost layer of the epidermis and is made up of dead keratinocytes. It's a tough, protective layer that is constantly being shed and replaced. Key features include provides a barrier against water loss, abrasion, and infection. Each layer plays a crucial role in protecting the body from the environment, regulating body temperature, and providing sensory information. These specialized cells within each layer contribute to the functions, ensuring the skin remains a dynamic and effective barrier. So I did print this guy here, epidermis, and it shows me each layer and where it's located. And this helped me out a lot. I also printed this, the keratinocytes, and obviously you can't really see very well, but it has like dead keratinocyte, and shows me where they're located or on there. All right, the dermis. The dermis is a layer of skin beneath the epidermis, and it's much thicker and more complex. It's mainly made of connective tissue, which provides strength and flexibility. The dermis is divided into two main layers, the papillary layer and the reticular layer. The papillary layer is the upper layer of the dermis right beneath the epidermis structure. It's made of loose connective tissue called areolar connective tissue. This layer has projections called dermal papillae that extend into the epidermis. These papillae contain capillaries, small blood vessels, and nerve endings. Its role: the papillary layer nourishes the epidermis and provides it with oxygen and nutrients. The dermal papillae increase the surface area for this exchange. The nerve endings in this layer are responsible for touch and pain sensations. Key features: I have dermal papillae, capillaries, Masoners corpusculus, touch receptors. I then have the reticular layer. This is the deeper, thicker layer of the dermis. It's made of dense, irregular connective tissue, which is strong and elastic. This layer contains collagen fibers that provide strength and elastin fibers that provide elasticity. The reticular layer provides strength, elasticity, and support to the skin. It also contains blood vessels, nerves, hair follicles, and glands. Some key features: collagen and elastin fibers, hair follicles, sweat glands, and I'm not sure how to say this, but it says I have written down pressure receptors. In summary, the dermis is a vital layer of the skin that provides support, nourishment, and sensation. The papillary layer focuses on nourishing the epidermis and providing touch sensation, while the reticular layer provides strength, elasticity, and houses various skin structures like hair follicles and glands. Okay, and then I have the hypodermis. The hypodermis is also known as the subcutaneous layer. It's the layer beneath the dermis. It's primarily made of adipose tissue and loose connective tissue. It also it stores fat, which provides insulation and energy storage. It also connects the skin into the underlying muscle and bones. Role of layer: insulation. The fat in the hypodermis helps to insulate the body, keeping it warm. Energy storage: it stores fat, which can be used as energy when needed. Cushioning: it provides cushioning and protection for underlying tissues and organs. Connection: it connects the skin to the underlying muscles and bone. Key features and specialized cells: adipocytes. These are specialized cells that store fat. Blood vessels: the hypodermis contains large blood vessels that supply the skin with blood. Nerves: it also contains nerves that sense pressure and vibration. And I have the hypodermis written here, the dermis here, and then the epidermis is where I write everything for my video. I also printed this one here to show me. I'm not sure if you can see. It's like hair, sweat gland, epidermis, dermis, subcutaneous tissue, fat. So then I could see where it is on our skin with the hair there and the hair follicle in the photo. I showed this one as well, but it has this stratum corneum, stratum granulosum, and all the way up until we hit the dermis, showing me where each one is and then what specialized or key features, specialized cells in there. This one helped me as well, and then this one was just a general concept, so I just more pictures to what I'm reading. Anyways, thank you.